How to make steamed vegetable in 2 minutes using a pressure cooker for healthy eating lifestyle. Check this video out. Simple and
these are the vegetables I will be using to make my steamed vegetable. So I'm using a piece of cabbage, a piece of cauliflower, broccoli, and carrot. So we gotta steam this in the pressure cooker for about a minute or two, no longer than that. Wash your vegetable, always wash everything, get them clean. Alright, I gotta put these in, cut them in serving size, smaller pieces. Yeah, so you just cut them in reasonable size to serve on the plate. Take off unwanted leaf and thing. Cabbage, cut them in kind of, this piece can cut in 3 pieces, cut it in big chunks. Carrot. Just do them like this. Cut them in half. So I gotta use my pressure pot and steam these vegetables. Very simple and easy. This is the pressure pot we're gonna use to our vegetable. So you place them in the pot. After you wash them, you just place them in the pot. Carrots, pay attention to this part keenly. Alright, this is a big cooking spoon. We gotta use 2 spoons of water in this. This is very tricky. So 1 spoon of water, 2 spoons of water, no more, no less. And you put it on the fire, and this is the next instruction. When you put it on the fire, the first sound it makes, the first pressuring sound it makes, you take it off. So I'm gonna put this on the fire Alright, something remember when the pressure pan made the first sound, that's it. The vegetable come to a steam. So you don't want to overdo it. So based on the amount of fire that's on the pot, how quick it will be that sound. So if the fire is low, take a longer time. If the fire is high, done in a quicker time. That's it, that's the first sound. That's it, turn the stove off. That's it. That's it. The vegetable come to a steam. The first pressure point. That's it. No more cooking. To cool the pressure cooker very quickly, put a water in a container. If you have a plate sink, and you just place the pot in it. Quick cooling process. Whenever you open this pot when it's hot, you have to get it cool. That's what people don't know about the pressure pot. Then you move this. See, there is no pressure in it. There's an safety thing right here. Look, red thing, it go down. That means it is safe to open. Then it's ready to open. There you have it. Steamed vegetable ready. Yeah, so that's it. That's a steamed vegetable in the pressure pot. You just follow the instruction and you get it right. And make sure to follow the safety precaution. Yeah, so that's a steamed vegetable.
Remember, this steamed vegetable can share with family and friends. You can share as a side order. You can share with your dinner. You can enjoy your vegetable as it is. For people who don't eat meat, vegans, Rastafarian, the steamed vegetable is a great meal or dish for them. However, if you think this video was educational or interesting, please leave a like, subscribe, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. Healthy eating is a must. Eat your vegetable and fruits. Keep healthy. So this is all for now. So as I always say, see you in my next video. I am out.